You know, when someone first asked me if I liked pita, I said no. That Middle Eastern food upsets my stomach.
You know, some people think a gun is a symbol of a hunter's manhood.
Oh, no wonder this thing isn't working.
So this seal waddles into a bar, and the bartender says, "What'll you have?" And the seal says, "Anything but a Canadian club."
I just got a dog for my grandkid. Best trade I ever made.
You know, Bunny, I think you should give back that leather coat you got for your birthday.
Why, Elvira?
Because it looked better on the first cow.
I eat fish because it's brain food.
Another theory disproved.